If you've ever been stuck without internet and still wanted to play your Steam games, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to start Steam in offline mode, and I'll also show you the important setup steps you should do first while you still have a connection. That way, when you're traveling on a weak Wi-Fi connection or your internet just drops out, Steam is ready to go. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. Before we switch Steam offline, there are a few really important things to check first. These are the steps that make offline mode actually work properly later on. Steam needs to remember your login details and game licenses before you disconnect. So first, log into Steam normally while you still have internet. When you sign in, make sure the Remember Me box is checked. This helps Steam save your account information so it can launch later without needing to verify everything online again. Next, make sure any game you want to play is fully updated. If a game has a pending update, there's a good chance it won't launch properly in offline mode. Steam often wants the latest version before it allows you to play, so it's always a good idea to let everything finish downloading while you still have access to the internet. Open your library, check for any updates, and let Steam complete them fully. Another important step is to launch each game at least once while you're online. This is especially important for games that need first-time setup files like DirectX, Visual C++ components, or other startup files. If you've never opened a game before, Steam may not have everything it needs cached for offline use. So go ahead and launch the game once while connected, let it finish its setup, then close it before switching offline. Now let's look at how to go offline while you still have internet. This is the easiest method if you want to prepare ahead of time. Open Steam, then look at the top left corner of the window. Click the Steam menu. From the drop-down, select Go Offline. Steam will ask you to confirm, and then you'll want to click Restart in offline mode. Steam will close and restart, and once it loads back up, the bottom status bar should show offline mode. At that point, Steam is running without needing a live connection. This is the best option if you know you're about to travel or lose access soon, because it gives Steam a chance to switch cleanly before the connection is gone. It's a lot safer than waiting until your Wi-Fi completely drops and then trying to force it to open later. Now, what if your internet is already down and you're opening Steam for the first time in that situation? Don't panic, there's still a chance it can work. Just launch Steam as usual. Because it can't connect to the network, you should see a connection error message. In that window, look for the button that says Start in Offline Mode. Click that, and Steam should open without trying to sign in online. If that button appears, great, you're in. But if you don't see it, that usually means Steam wasn't able to save your login information or your saved session has expired. That's why the pre-steps are so important. Steam Offline Mode works best when you've already signed in before, checked Remember Me, updated your games, and launched what you need while online. So the key takeaway is this: prepare first, then go offline. If you're still connected, use the Steam menu and choose Go Offline. If you've already lost internet, try launching Steam and selecting Start in Offline Mode when prompted. And if you want offline mode to work reliably, always make sure your account is remembered, your games are updated, and your first launch happens while you're online. I hope this helped you get Steam running in offline mode quickly and easily. If it did, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.